Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install a USB port onto the back of the mirror on the Hyundai IONIQ 5. What's up everybody? I got myself a new camera for the car, and I got this kit off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And I've seen this on other videos, and it basically just plugs into your just above your mirror, just plugs straight in, completes the connection, and gives you a USB port so that you can plug in your dash cam and keep the wires nice and short without having to go too long. And the dash cam that I have, I'll put a link in the description for the one I got, but this is it. It's the Rove R2 4K, and I got it for a pretty good deal on Amazon as well. Again, the link will be in the description. So let's see how easy this is to install. Basically, we lower the mirror down and just pop this thing off from up here. And then we expose our connector. We just pull this little tab out, get a little pinch, pull on the cable, and there you go. And then get our little dongle. And then, this is hard to do with one hand like this, but basically pop this back in here. Plug this into the car like that. This other end goes in here, and then we tuck up our cables. Look at that, done. That was a quick and easy install. I can just tuck this wire on here on the side, or up here sideways. There you go, and then you should be able to put the cover back on. And then this is the USB dongle, just basically wherever you want to run your cable. So I'm gonna run my cable right now, and that's it. It's installed. Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick update on what I was able to do here. So basically what I did is I moved the USB port over to here. The plug is down here in the bottom, and I routed it underneath and back up here on this side, and the cable's coming up along here, and I'm going to be plugging in the camera right here on the side, and then we're going to be golden. And this should allow me to put the cover back on. At least I'm hoping. I'm about to try it right now for my first try. Let's see here. Boom. Done. Okay. We got the camera mounted. I decided to go and stick it directly underneath there. Cable's nice and tight. Looks good and clean. Let's see what it looks like from the outside. There you go.